Namaskar, my dear pharmacy iconer friends. Today I am here with a new topic, sole proprietorship, under the chapter of forms of business organization. Business refers any activity that keeps a person busy. The main aim of any business is to earn profit or benefit. So business is the activity which includes all individuals and group activities directed toward earning money and acquiring wealth through the production and exchange of goods and or services. There are four different forms of business organizations: sole proprietorship, partnership business, joint Hindu family business, and cooperative society business. In today's class, we will learn about the sole proprietorship business only. Sole proprietorship business is an one-man business. In this business, the proprietor is solely responsible for the business activities. The important responsibility by the sole proprietor in sole proprietorship business are providing or arranging capital or investment to set any business or to run any business or to implement any business. Bearing the risk of enterprise is also sole responsible of the sole proprietor of the sole proprietorship business. In addition, the day-to-day management of this business is responsible by the sole proprietor. The examples of sole proprietorship business includes mostly retail business, retail chemist shops. It is clear that to run the sole proprietorship business, the individual professional skill is essential. Various salient features of sole proprietorship business includes the full authority of sole proprietor over all the business affairs, as here the sole proprietorship business is dependent on the sole proprietor, one man. The sole proprietor has to act according to his or her ability and skill to control the whole authority over all the business affairs. As in the sole proprietorship business, no partnership association is there. The proprietor and the business enterprise are one and the same. No legal formalities are required to set a sole proprietorship business, but in certain businesses, legal formalities are required for sole proprietorship business, like retail drugstore. The sole proprietorship business holds the sole responsibility by the sole proprietor to arrange the capital or investment to set the business or to run the business or to implement the business affairs. The profit earned in the business enterprise belongs to the proprietor, as it is one-man business. Similarly, in case of losses are also to be borne by the sole proprietor. The liability of the sole proprietary business is unlimited. There are several advantages and disadvantages of sole proprietorship business. Now we will explain all the advantages of sole proprietorship business. Sole proprietorship business is recognized as easily formed business of all forms of business organization. In the sole proprietorship business, no legal formalities are required for starting, except in case of certain business like retail drugstore, the legal formalities are required for sole proprietorship business. The secrecy of the business affair can be maintained as the sole proprietorship business is run by one person or one man who is sole proprietor. The sole proprietor is free to take any decision in regard to all matters concerning the business, as multiple number of involvements are not present in the sole proprietorship business. The incentive of high profit as well as fear of loss induce the proprietor to work to the best of his or her ability and capacity. The sole proprietor is free to change the business pattern, as any other involvement is not with the sole proprietorship business. The sole proprietorship business encourages professionally qualified persons to set up their own business under the self-employment scheme. The capital investment in the business can be increased or decreased at will of the sole proprietor. No other person are involved to decide about the capital investment. The sole proprietorship business is associated with the little expenditure involved in managing the enterprise, as there is involvement of only one person who is sole proprietor. So no other involvement is not present in this business organization, and thereby the little expenditure involved in managing the business enterprise. Important disadvantages of sole proprietorship business includes: sometimes sole proprietor suffers due to lack of adequate financial resources. It is very difficult for a single person look after every aspect of business. There are various aspects of business like production, sale, finance, advertising, as well as account keeping. So it is very difficult to maintain or look after every aspect of business by a one man or sole proprietor. So this can be treated as one of the important disadvantages of sole proprietorship business. Again, the business of sole proprietorship ends with the death of the proprietor, because his or her ancestors may not be competent or qualified to run the same business after his or her death. The sole proprietor generally run his or her business on small scale due to arrangement of small amount of capital or investment. Thus, benefits of large scale business cannot be enjoyed. The liability of sole proprietorship business debts is unlimited. Another one important disadvantages associated with the sole proprietorship business is that there is no checks and control on the sole proprietor, as in this case others involvement is not present. So nobody is available to check and control on the sole proprietor. And thank you. That's all for today's class.